I hope you are very well at your home, staying safe and protecting yourself from COVID-19. So let's start today's session. In your previous session, you have learned about adverb and today you are going to learn about preposition. So what is preposition? Preposition is a word which is used to show the place of a noun, pronoun and other objects. For your better understanding, I have categorized preposition into three categories. Let me show you. Let's start. Your first type of preposition is preposition of time. It shows when something happens. Second type of preposition is preposition of place, where something happens. Your third type of preposition is preposition of direction, in which direction something happens. Let's take some example. I get up at 6 o'clock. At denotes time. Cat is sitting under the table. Under denotes place. I am going into the room. Into denotes direction. Let's move on. Let's continue with some more prepositions of time. At, on, in. At denotes specific time. At 6 o'clock at night. At denotes holiday period. At Christmas, at Diwali. On denotes specific days. On Monday, on Wednesday. On denotes dates. On 2nd of October. In denotes month. In January, in February. In denotes years. In 1947. In denotes century. In 21st century. In denotes season. In winters, in summers. Let's continue. These are more prepositions of place. So this is your floor and this is your ball. Ball is on the floor. Ball is above the floor. Ball is beside the wall. Ball is between the walls. Ball is in the box. Ball is under the table. Ball is in the back of tree. Ball is in the front of something. Ball is inside of the box. Ball is outside of the box. Let's continue. These are prepositions of direction. To, into, from. Let's start. To denotes destination. To denotes destination. Let's take examples. He is going to school. He is going to market. So here to denotes destination. Next. Into. Into denotes inward movement. Into denotes inward movement. Let's take examples. A dog fell into the well. She is going into the room. So here into denotes inward movement. Next. From. From denotes starting point. From denotes starting points. Let's take examples. She is coming from school. I am coming from market. So here from denotes starting point. That's all. This is done for the day. I hope you understood it very well. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.